You want to save a little bit of money and install an outlet yourself. And I'm going to do that in my garage, and I'm going to show you how.
First thing you're going to do is you're going to run about 6 to 8 inches of wire into your outlet box, and you want that hanging out, and that way you have enough wire to work with so that you're not limited on space and trying to get a screwdriver into a tight spot. You strip the coating back with the utility knife. You score the outside of the sheathing with the utility knife, running it down the middle, making sure not to damage the black and the white wires, which are on the sides of the sheathing. Once you have that stripped back and cut off all the extra sheathing and paper that was around the ground wire, you want to strip 3/4 of an inch off of the black and the white wire and make a loop on that. Once you have the loops made, you can find your outlet. You will have brass colored screws and silver screws. The brass colored screws will go to the black wire. The silver colored screws will go to the white wire. The green colored screw will take the ground, which is the bare wire. Another simple way to figure out what takes the black wire and the white wire is most outlets will have a larger hole on it, which is for the neutral wire. You look at the larger hole, and whatever side the larger hole is on, that will take your white wire. The other one will take your black wire. Once you have what wire goes to what side, you can take your neutral wire and you can loop it on the bottom screw of your outlet, ensuring that the loop will go clockwise around the screw so that it will tighten down on the screw. If you do it counterclockwise, it will actually push the wire off of the screw. Do the same exact thing with the black side and tighten them down to ensure that they're not going to come off. Once you have everything tightened down, make sure that you have enough wire exposed to where it's not pinched underneath the screw. That can cause issues, as well as having too much wire exposed so that it can make contact with something else if it slips off. Connect your ground screw the same way, clockwise, and tighten that down. Once all 3 of your wires are connected, you can push the wire back into the outlet box and screw in the outlet to the box itself. The last step is to take your outlet cover and place it on top. Tighten those screws down, and you're done. I hope you got something out of this video to where I could help you out a little bit, and if you did, I'd appreciate a like on the video, and remember, do it yourself.